Hey guys, don't miss out on this great condo, 42738 Lochmoor Street, 1,200 square foot of updated living space. Now, brand new vinyl plank flooring throughout. And check this place out. Custom tile and granite in the kitchen. That wine bar there, refrigerator, actually is where the dishwasher went. You can convert it back to a dishwasher. But look how spacious this is. And the beauty of this, 20% down conventional with association fees, taxes, and everything. You're going to be below 1,300 square feet. Where are you going to rent for that price? That was a great patio outside. Sorry, I get a little excited about this place. Now you're worried about small bedrooms? Worry no more. Spacious bedrooms. Here again, very nice. This is a ranch style home. It's about, when you walk in, you go down like 4 or 5 stairs. Beautiful bathroom. Now a lot of times with condos, people are worried about storage. You've got extra storage here. Not only do you have the space within the condo, even in the laundry room here, by the way, they're going to include the washer and dryer, but you have tons of storage space. Can't really see it. There's more underneath the stairwell there. And additionally, on the 3rd floor, there is a bonus space, a whole room. So you don't have to climb in the attic to get your stuff out. Don't miss out. Why rent when you could own this beautiful home? Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty, give us a call. Bye now.